What power do I have?
Super fast speed.
Super fast speed, super fast speed, super fast speed.
And
Morning, y'all. So I just dropped my son off at school. Me and Jason just got home. It is raining here.
yeah.
Say hi. You say hi?
Yeah.
Anyways, it's raining here, and if you can't tell by my voice, my throat is like killing me. I'm all dried out. I don't know. Struggle is real, y'all. But I got to clean this house because the boys were gone this weekend. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, but the boys were gone this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I didn't get to clean, and I didn't clean yesterday because I hadn't felt good. But today I'm cleaning, y'all, and I made myself some coffee, but I don't know where it is. I lost it. I lost my coffee. I don't know. I've been looking for it, and I can't find it. So yeah, so I'm going to try to find my coffee and go get some cleaning done and some laundry done because Lord knows, y'all, I have like 20 loads of laundry to do. Oh gosh, whew, so we got our work cut out today. Whew, so let's get this done, y'all. So the first thing I'm going to do is light a candle just to set the mood and get me in the mood to clean. This candle is the Peach Mango. I got it at Walmart for like $5 and it smells so good. And then I'm going to go into my laundry room and start a load of laundry because like I said, I have so many loads to do. It's probably going to take me all day, and this wash machine, it seems like it takes forever. But I'm just putting a load in. I'm using the Gain Original Scent, and then I'm going into my master bedroom to go ahead and make my bed and get ready for the loads of laundry that I'm going to be doing on the bed. Excuse all the shaking that you see going on here. I must have been stomping around here like a dinosaur, y'all, but it does get better, I promise. It doesn't stay this way.
Back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever.
Next, I'm headed into my kitchen to finish loading up my dishwasher from all the breakfast dishes we had this morning before heading out the door to take my son to school. And I'm just loading those up and gonna go ahead and get those washed so I can put those away.
You, we were like fireworks, thought nothing could break us, but oh how we...
And here I'm going to go ahead and wash my coffee cup and my little coffee K-cup filter thing that you can't stick in the dishwasher. This coffee cup is so awesome. I got it from Walmart. It's like a copy of kind of like the Yeti cup, but it's just like a coffee cup, and it keeps your coffee hot forever. And I normally take that in the mornings when I take my son to school, and it works. It keeps my coffee hot so long.
Right now, how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
We have such a small kitchen, and so I feel like it's super hard to film in here, and it's also kind of awkward to clean the kitchen, especially back in the corners back there. I don't even use those cabinets in the little corners because you can't even really get to them, and I'm small, and it's still hard for me to get to them, so.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy.
And if you're wondering, no, I've never had any problems not sorting my laundry. It works out just fine for me.
Making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Next, I'm just heading into our living room, just straightening up all the pillows and the couch, and folding the blankets, getting everything kind of put back in its place. It won't stay that way for long, but I'm getting it all picked up that way I can vacuum in there and get all the dog hair and stuff off the area rug.
Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. The feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
So now I'm going into my 4-year-old's room. His room is not that messy. It pretty much stays clean. I usually help him at night clean it so we wake up every morning with a fresh start. So I'm just making up his bed for him. And he had a couple little toys on the floor that I picked up, but nothing major. And then I'm just vacuuming and making sure all the dog hair and little crumbs or anything that he's dropped in there are up off the floor.
Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Now going into my other son's bedroom, I'm just stripping his bed off, and I recently just washed all the blankets and comforters in our house, so nothing needed to be changed, just made up from them sleeping in them last night. So that's what I'm doing, just making up his bed as well and picking up a little bit and vacuuming his floor.
Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day.
So I'm finally getting to sit down after all that and fold some laundry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some cleaning motivation to clean your own homes. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe to my channel. It's free. It just lets you know when I upload content. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning videos like this. And thanks for watching. Bye y'all.